Before buying an electric dirt bike, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Razor MX350 Dirt Rocket. We have the Razor MX350 Dirt Rocket, designed for kids aged 8 and up. Priced as one of the most affordable options out there, it caught my attention with its cool design and decent specs. If you want your child to experience the thrill of riding an electric dirt bike without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Razor MX350 can hit speeds up to 14 miles per hour, which feels fast enough for a young rider to enjoy the rush without feeling out of control. With a 24V battery, it offers about 30 minutes of ride time on high speed, perfect for kids wanting to take on dirt paths or grassy hills. The bike's sturdy steel frame and 12-inch pneumatic tires ensure durability and grip, letting kids ride with confidence. With over 200 sold in the last month, it seems to be a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the 30-minute runtime being too short. Here's the thing though, this bike is meant for kids, and a half hour of fun before needing a recharge is pretty standard. Plus, it's a great way to teach kids about responsible riding without letting them go overboard. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an entry-level dirt bike for your child to learn on. Skip this one if your rider is a bit older or more experienced and needs something faster. For the price, you're getting a good amount of fun and safety features. Now, if the Razor's shorter ride time bothered you, this next one has a longer run time and takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, AII Lightweight Electric Dirt Bike, ideal for kids aged 3 to 12. This bike stands out with its super light frame and attractive design. If you're after a balance bike that can grow with your child, this is definitely worth a serious look. The AII offers 2 speed settings, a beginner-friendly 5 miles per hour and an advanced mode reaching up to 10 miles per hour, which is fantastic for teaching young riders balance and coordination. It features a 24V detachable battery that provides about 40 to 60 minutes of runtime, which is perfect for little ones. The 12-inch inflatable tires give a smooth ride over various terrains, and the aluminum frame ensures it's both lightweight and durable. With a great balance of safety and fun, it's a solid choice for over 100 parents who bought it recently. Now, some parents mention that the bike can be a bit underpowered for older kids, especially those who are more adventurous. But here's why that's not a deal breaker. Younger riders benefit from the slower speeds while they're still learning, and this bike is all about helping them build confidence without overwhelming them. This is perfect for you if you have a young child just starting out or who's a little hesitant about riding. Skip this one if your kid is already confident and ready to take on more power. For the price, it offers great value for a growing rider. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something more powerful.
Product number 3, Mototech 60V 2000 Watt Pro Electric Dirt Bike. We have the Mototech 60V 2000 Watt Pro Electric Dirt Bike, a beast in the dirt biking world. It's priced higher, but if you're looking for serious performance, this bike might just be what you need. The Mototech features a 60-volt motor with a whopping 2,000 watts of power that can reach speeds of 35 to 40 miles per hour, which is pretty thrilling. It has a max rider weight of 150 pounds and offers a range of 10 to 18 miles per charge, making it suitable for both kids and light adults. With quick removal batteries, you can swap them out easily, and its IPX6 waterproof rating means you don't have to worry about a little mud getting on it. This bike is perfect for those who want a more serious ride, and with no reviews yet, it's clearly a new contender in the market. Now, some users noted that the price might be steep for casual riders. I'll be real with you, if you're just looking for an occasional ride, this might not be the best fit. But for those who are serious about dirt biking, the performance and build quality justify the cost. This is perfect for you if you want an electric dirt bike that can handle serious terrain and speeds. Skip this one if you're looking for a casual ride or for younger kids still learning. If you're into performance and durability, this bike delivers. Now, if the Mototech's price is too high for you, this next bike offers a fantastic balance of performance and cost.
Product number 4, Mototech 36V Pro Electric Dirt Bike. We have the Mototech 36V Pro Electric Dirt Bike. It's built for kids and priced more affordably than the previous models. If you're looking for a reliable bike for a young rider, this is worth considering. The Mototech 36V Pro features a decent motor for younger riders, providing enough power to give that thrilling dirt bike experience without being too overwhelming. It's designed for kids aged 13 and up, making it a great option for preteens who want to start riding. The bike is lightweight and easy to handle, which is fantastic for kids still finding their balance. It's a solid entry point for those who want to introduce their kids to electric dirt biking without spending a fortune. Now, some parents have expressed concerns about the bike's lower power compared to others, and it may not keep up as well with older or more experienced riders. But here's the thing. This bike is perfect for those just starting out, and the lower power can actually help avoid accidents while they build confidence. This is perfect for you if you have a child who is new to riding and needs a manageable bike. Skip this one if your kid is already experienced and looking for more speed. You're getting a safe, fun, and affordable option here. Now, if you want something that packs a bit more punch without going to the extreme, the final bike on my list might be just what you're looking for.
Product number 5, Mototech 60V Pro electric dirt bike, which takes performance up a notch. This bike is for those who want a serious ride without going overboard on budget. It has a similar price point to the other Mototech models, but with enhanced features. The 60V Pro boasts a brushless motor and can reach up to 40 miles per hour, which is fast enough to satisfy most thrill seekers. Its 15.6 amp-hour lithium-ion battery provides long-lasting rides, and it's designed to handle rough terrains with ease. With a durable build and adjustable speed settings, this bike is tailored for both fun and safety. Plus, it comes with a 60-day parts replacement warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Now, some users mentioned it can be heavy for younger riders, especially when they're just starting out. Here's the thing though, this bike is aimed at those who are ready for more advanced riding, and the weight adds to its stability at higher speeds. This is perfect for you if you have a more experienced rider who's ready for speed and excitement. Skip this one if your child is still learning and needs something lighter and easier to handle. For its features and durability, you're getting great value here.
So to wrap it up, we've looked at the Razor MX350 for fun and affordability, the AAII for young beginners, the powerful Mototech 60V Pro for thrill seekers, the budget-friendly Mototech 36V for new riders, and the robust Mototech 60V for serious performance. Each of these bikes has its strengths, depending on what you need. Thanks for tuning in, and happy riding!